So as I mentioned in a previous video, I have my NVMe drive I'm going to go ahead and install. This actually goes up under here, so I'm going to try and get a better view for the actual installation. Alright, so going handheld, so we'll see how we can do this. But you can see down here, that little slot here is what the end of the drive, this end, goes in there, and then these are little standoffs to hold it up. So, alright, that's when install the right location. It also comes with hardware, a screwdriver, and a little standoff as well to help if you don't have a standoff. So we'll go ahead and put that in. Alright, we'll see if I can get this in here while holding my phone for you. So, like I said, it's going to slot in right here. Oh, it is slotted in, and then you will just, secure it back in place with a little screw. So I'm going to do that, and we'll come back once it's done. Okay, and we're back with, like I said, a little tiny screw there installed. So that's all installed, should be ready to go. Just gotta turn everything back on and transfer all the data.